Welcome to Marriage and Life Stories once again, and today I have this very exciting recipe that you have been asking me for, and this is about dealing with fibroids. Now, fibroids have become a nightmare in the lives of women, and in most cases it comes as a result of hormonal imbalance. Sometimes people react badly to birth pills, birth control pills. Others, it's as a matter of the body gaining too much fat, and others, maybe it is hereditary or something. But whatever causes it, it is a nightmare for women. Now, before we proceed into this video, I'll kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button and to like this video and to go through all the other 46 videos on this channel, and there will be a lot of learning taking place. Now, I believe in using natural remedies because these are available and they are effective, and they are those things that God has created to help this amazing body fight its own battles. What are we using today? Today we have apple cider vinegar, and this is the organic vinegar. I will not show you the brand because I'm not supposed to advertise. This is organic vinegar. It's my best brand, and it is the one which they say has a mother. If you look at this mixture down here, which looks like fine dust, so this is what they call the mother of the vinegar. Now, if you're going to buy vinegar and it doesn't have the mother, then you're using it for cleaning vegetables and all that, but it is not used for, you will not use it for anything that is very sensitive. Now, this jar is where I'm going to store the mixture that I'm going to make after I have blended or made it. This is where I'm going to store it for a couple of days. Then it is going to be ready and effective to use against fibroids. Now, on the ingredients, I have prepared the ingredients so that we do not take so much time going through. These are five fingers of ginger, and to put your worries at bay, I have already sanitized my hands. This is an organic sanitizer made from lemongrass and lemon is what I use. I don't use so many of the chemicals when I'm going to start to touch food. My hands are already washed, and I'm using lemon and lemongrass and neem. It smells wonderful. So we have 5 fingers of ginger, which is chopped, not fine. Although if you can use a grater and make them finely chopped, it's going to be much better. Okay, so these are 5 fingers of ginger. These are local garlic, the organic ones. They are 16 bulbs. Is it bulbs? The small ones are called what? I think they are, okay. Those small pieces, they are 16 of them. I've tried to chop them. They are washed, and I've chopped them. I will not chop them for long because I want them to keep their flavor. And then the lemon, I have removed the outside cover, and I'm reducing on the size of the lemon. Okay, here we go. If you want, you can grate them. If you want, you can squeeze the juice out of them and then chop the pieces. Now, one special thing about these ingredients is that they are all alkaline. Garlic is very alkaline. Lemon, many people are confused. When they say it is alkaline, they do not believe because it tastes acidic. Now, the moment lemon comes in contact with your body, or you have gotten it out and it is in your body, it has an alkaline effect. Ginger is very alkaline. So whatever we are using here is all alkaline. This ingredient, the apple cider vinegar, is very acidic. Now, when this and this and this are mixed within this apple cider vinegar, they come up with that combination and create an environment that the fibroids will not stand. And so this is what we are doing. We are putting all these ingredients in one jar, a glass jar. Always avoid plastics as much as possible, unless you have the plastics which are BPA free. BPA is the cancer causing element in plastics. Sorry, that one is falling down. BPA is that cancer causing element, and so if you can avoid plastics with BPA, it will be much better for you. Okay. And the seeds as well. Lemon seeds are very healthy. That white cover of on the lemon, they call it the, what is that white cover? Okay, that white thing that covers the lemon is also another healthy substance that you should never miss. Okay, so all our ingredients are ready. 5 fingers of ginger, 16 pieces of garlic, and 2 lemons finely chopped with the outside cover, the white one, and all the seeds are inside. They have a very unique oil that the body needs. Okay, so here we go. We are pouring in our apple cider vinegar. I have to shake it to make sure that the mother comes out. It doesn't remain inside the bottle. Okay, there we go. Now, this ingredient, I'm going to leave it to ferment for 2 days. I'm going to leave all these ingredients to ferment for 2 days. Now, the product that comes out after the 2 days is not your ordinary vinegar, not your ordinary garlic, and not the ordinary. And remember, the garlic is descented the moment you mix it with this vinegar. And so when I open it after 2 days, I'm not going to cover it with this. I will use a cheesecloth, which is a net. I'll use a cheesecloth, cover it for 2 days. It ferments. The color will turn, and you can add in an onion if you want. And then when you're finally done, you're going to use 2 teaspoons in a glass of water, in a glass of juice. Yes, well, basically water and juice, not anything hot. You use it in 2 spoons in the morning and in the evening before you eat, like 1 hour before you eat. Don't take it when you are not going to eat, because after 1 hour it has had its effect. Then it is going to create that environment for you to eat. Apart from treating, working on fibroids, it also deals with a lot of all other health challenges, which we shall talk about at a later stage. But for now, we concentrate on the fibroids treatment. Thank you so much for watching through this video. Kindly subscribe and like the video, and go through all the other 46 videos so that we can learn and grow together. God bless you. Thank you for watching.